In today's world, having a dash cam in your car is like having a reliable co-pilot. The best ones do more than just record the road. They're your eyewitness for everything that happens, day or night. What makes a dash cam stand out? Think crystal clear video, even when it's dark outside. A wide view so you miss nothing, and features that make life easier like automatic recording when you start your car and smart sensors that know when something's not right. Plus, the top-notch ones come with extras like GPS to pin down your location and Wi-Fi to share videos without a fuss. Whether it's for the daily commute or those memorable road trips, picking the perfect dash cam matters. Do you lean towards a dash cam with smart features that keep you ahead of the curve, or one that's built to last, giving you peace of mind mile after mile? Whatever your preference is, make sure to follow our links for the best deals. Let's dive into the best dash cams right now. Number 6. Garmin Dash Cam Mini. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini is like that tiny but mighty friend who's always got your back. It's so small, tucking behind your rearview mirror, you'll forget it's there until you really need it. But don't be fooled by its size, this mini marvel records in full 1080p. That means every detail of your drive, from sunlit highways to shadowy side streets, is captured with clear, sharp video. And who needs buttons when you can talk? Just tell the Dashcam Mini to save a video or snap a photo. Whether you're driving through the streets of Paris or navigating the Autobahn, it understands commands in several languages. It's like having a co-pilot that listens and responds, keeping your hands free and your focus on the road. Worried about parking lot mishaps? The Mini's got your back there too. The Parking Guard feature watches over your car, alerting you if anything dodgy happens while you're away. And for an extra set of eyes, you can peek in on your parked car from anywhere with live view monitoring. Even better, you don't have to mess with removing the camera or SD cards to view your footage. Videos automatically upload over Wi-Fi to a secure vault, ready for whenever you need them. Despite its compact size, this Garmin Dash Cam Mini is tough. It shrugs off extreme weather like a champ, ensuring it's always ready to record. Plus, with the included dual USB charger, you can keep your devices powered up without sacrificing a charging spot. Number 5. VIOFO A119 V3. The VIOFO A119 V3 dashcam is like that buddy who's always got your back on the road. Picture this: crystal clear video in 1440p QHD+ at a smooth 60 frames per second. Thanks to its top-notch Sony sensor and sharp lens, you get footage so clear you won't miss a single detail, day or night. What's cool is the wide 140-degree lens. It gives you a broad view without making everything look weirdly curved. You see more of what's happening around you without losing any of the quality. Parking mode on this camera is next level. Depending on what you need, you can pick from auto event detection, time-lapse, or low bitrate recording. Auto event detection is particularly slick. It captures what happens before and after something triggers the camera. It's like having someone watch over your car, ready to tell you exactly what went down. The built-in GPS is another win. It logs your speed, travel route, and timestamps right onto your videos. This isn't just handy for reliving road trips, it's crucial if you need evidence after an incident. And then there's the night vision. Most cams struggle when the sun goes down, but not this one. It balances bright and dark spots smoothly, making sure license plates and street signs pop even in low light. Number 4. ROVE R2-4K. The ROVE R2-4K dashcam is your best bet if you're looking for top-notch video quality without spending a ton. It's like having an eagle eye on the road, capturing everything in 4K Ultra HD. The clarity is so good, you'll notice details you'd miss with other dashcams, especially at night, thanks to its super slick night vision. Now here's where it gets cool. This camera comes with Wi-Fi 6. Yes, you read that right. This means you can quickly grab videos off the cam and onto your phone faster than you can say traffic jam. And sharing those clips with friends or on social media is a breeze. And there's GPS built right in. Ever wonder exactly where you've been and how fast you were going? This camera maps it all out for you, perfect for those who love details or might need proof in sticky situations. But it doesn't stop there. The ROVE R2-4K is packed with the kind of tech usually reserved for pricier models, like a super wide lens to catch more of the scene, smart parking mode for when you're not around, and a robust supercapacitor that can handle heat better than batteries. For a budget-friendly dashcam that punches way above its weight, the ROVE R2-4K is a no-brainer. Number 3. Escort Max Cam 360C. The Escort Max Cam 360C is like having a co-pilot who's got your back, front, and sides. It's not just any dash cam, it's your ticket to worry-free driving, combining top-notch video capture with killer radar detection. This means you're not only recording your road trips in crisp detail, but also staying ahead of those pesky speed traps. Thanks to the same high-tech chips found in the Elite Redline 360C, the range and sensitivity on this gadget are through the roof. It's like having superhero vision for speed cameras, giving you enough heads up to ease off the gas naturally, avoiding those heart-dropping moments when you see a flash in your rearview mirror. And with its smart filtering, you won't be bothered by false alarms, leaving you to enjoy your drive in peace. What's really cool is how it shows you exactly where threats are coming from, with arrows pointing in the danger direction. No more guessing if that alert is ahead, behind, or beside you. Plus, the video quality is stellar. Night or day, your footage looks great, capturing all the details with its sharp 1440p resolution. But it's not just about avoiding tickets and recording road trip memories. The MaxCam 360C packs features like emergency mayday alert and parking mode, making sure you and your car are safe even when you're not around. Number 2. Cobra SC400D. The Cobra SC400D dash cam is the James Bond of car gadgets. Sleek, smart, and packed with high-tech features that set it apart as the best high-end option out there. It's not just about recording your drives, it's about making them safer and more convenient. First up, the Ultra HD 4K resolution is a game-changer. With 4 times the pixels of standard 1080p, every detail of your drive is captured in stunning clarity. Whether you're cruising through city streets or adventuring on country roads, this cam doesn't miss a beat. Plus, with the included rear-view accessory camera, you get to see both the front and back of your car, ensuring full coverage day and night. The 3-view capability is another standout feature. With the option to add a cabin view camera, you can keep an eye on the road ahead, behind, and the interior of your vehicle simultaneously. It's perfect for road trips, rideshare drivers, and anyone who values comprehensive coverage. The heads-up navigation ensures you never miss a turn by displaying notifications directly on your screen, even if you're not actively looking at your map. And with live police alerts, you're always one step ahead, avoiding speed traps and cameras. Number 1. Vantrue N5. The Vantrue N5 dashcam is like your car's own security buddy, keeping an eye out in every direction. With its 4 cameras, this gadget offers a full 360-degree view around your vehicle. It's pretty neat because you get super clear recordings from the front, both sides of the cabin, and the back of your car. This means whether you're driving or parked, your car's surroundings are being monitored in high definition. What's really cool about the N5 is the rear cabin camera. It's not something you see every day. This camera watches over the back seat, so if you've got kids, pets, or just a bunch of stuff back there, you can keep an eye on it all. It's a peace of mind feature that feels like an extra set of eyes. Driving at night? No problem. The N5's night vision makes everything visible, even in pitch black, ensuring nothing slips past unnoticed. Tech-wise, this dashcam is loaded. Fast Wi-Fi, GPS, and easy updates through an app make it a breeze to use. You can check out your driving route, speed, and manage videos directly from your phone. Plus, in case of an incident, getting that crucial footage is just a few taps away. For those who worry about their car while they're away, the parking mode has got you covered. It kicks in automatically to monitor any bumps or attempts to mess with your car, recording everything. Voice control tops off the convenience, letting you command the camera without lifting a finger. And with a simple snap-off mount, grabbing the cam when you leave the car is hassle-free. And that's all for the best dash cams on the market right now. Let us know in the comments, are you looking for just the essentials, or are you looking to spend a bit more and get a premium tier product? Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and have a good one.